Hello students, welcome to today's English lessons. Today we'll be working on the American Outline Workbook. So we are now on page 4, Unit 2 Turning Points, and we are going to solve exercise 9. Crossword. Complete the crossword. So we're going to go through the across ones, the clues across. So number 1, the Normans spoke this language. So I don't know if you remember, but the Normans, according to the reading The Invaders in the American Outline book, their language was French. Let's have a look at number 3. A group of people who live in the same place. Again, according to the reading The Invaders, what we read in the American Outline book, Turning Points, Unit 2. It's a tribe. So number 3, tribe. Let's have a look at number 7. A large and very stern building. Let's try to remember a little bit about the reading, The Invaders. So a large and very strong buildings on that age. That will be castle or castle. How about number 8? Julius Caesar was a general in the Roman. So remember that we can use context clues to identify or to figure out the meaning of missing words. So here our context clue will be general. Julius Caesar was a general in the Roman army, right? So general is telling you that the missing word is army. Here we have it. Number 8, army. Let's have a look at number 10. These people fight in wars. These people, we need a plural word, so that will be soldiers. Soldiers. Let's have a look at number 11. If you win, your enemy. You defeat your enemy. So if you win, you defeat your enemy. Number 12, your country have a president and some have a king. Some countries have a president and some have a king. Number 12, here we have it, king. So number 13 and the last one for the across clues. Rome was the center of the Roman Empire. So now I would like you to please complete the down clues. And for that, if you want some help, you can go and read the Invaders, the reading in the American Outline book. All right. So you can just have a quick read and then come back here to complete the down clues for the crossword puzzle. So let's have a look at number 10, the past perfect tense. Study these rules. For all the subject pronouns, singular and plural ones, we use had for positive sentences, or we can also use apostrophe D, which is a contraction form for had. Again, for positive sentences. And for negative sentences in the past perfect tense, we use had not or hadn't, which is a contraction form of had not. So, for example, I had forgotten about the party. She'd promised to keep a secret. We had not seen Joe before. You hadn't seen Joe before. Don't forget that another part of the rule to form past perfect tense is to change the verb into the past participle form. Forgotten, promised, and seen. So let's have a look at some examples. The past perfect describes an event before another event in the past. So that means that something happens in the past. Then we can use the present, the past perfect tense to describe another event. Example, Richie forgot about the dance. He didn't go. So Richie forgot about the past. He didn't go. So how will be the right answer? Richie had forgotten about the dance, so he didn't go. Or we can also say, Richard forgot about the dance, he hadn't go, right? So it doesn't matter if you put the past perfect tense before the action that happens in the past or after the action that happens in the past. For example, here we have Sue had a great weekend. She was very happy on Monday. She had a great weekend. She was very happy on Monday. Now she's telling. Sue was very happy on Monday because she had had a great weekend. So we usually and commonly use the past perfect to describe events that happened another event in the past and to tell about things that our friends did in past events, right? So let's say, for example, here, Sue is my friend, and she told me that she had a great weekend and that she was very happy on Monday. But now I would like to tell my other friend that Sue was very happy on Monday because she had had a great weekend. So we usually use it to tell about things that our friends or did previous or past events. Let's have a look at exercise B. So look at these sentences. Think about which action happened first and put the verbs into the simple past or the past perfect tense. So we need to identify what action happens first to use the past simple tense and then what happens next to use the past perfect tense. So before they came to Britain, the Anglo-Saxons had lived. Remember to use the past form of the word, the past participle form of the word. The Anglo-Saxons have lived in the Netherlands and Germany. Number two, when the Vikings invaded England, the Anglo-Saxons had been there for 100 years. Let's have a look at number three. Duke Williams lived in France. Lived in France, but his grandfather had come from Norway. Had come from Norway. So remember that come, it's the irregular verbs that it doesn't change when we change the forms into the past simple or past participle. Alright? So have a look at number four. After the Battle of Hastings, Duke Williams took a lot of lands away from the Anglo-Saxon lords because they had fought against him. Number five, he gave the loan to his soldiers because they had helped him. Helped him. So this is for this page number 4. Don't forget to read the embroidered reading to complete the down close for the crossword puzzle. And then we're going to move on to exercise 5, Lindy Wilde's life. In 1995, Lindy Wilde became famous. She had 2 hit records and made a successful movie. Everything in her life changed complete. The sentences about her life before 1995. Let's have a look. We have here some examples in 1995 and we have here before 1995. So she lived in Hollywood in 1995, but before 1995 she had lived in Maine, right? So have a look at number 1. She owned a big house in 1995, but before 1995 she had lived, don't forget to use capital letters, she had lived in a small apartment, in a small apartment, right? We help you with number 2. She worked in a movie studio before 1995. Sorry, in 1995, but before 1995, she had worked in a factory. So please complete exercises 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget to use the past perfect tense. Had. And now let's have a look at page 6. And here I would like you to complete exercise 12 and 13. I will make another video to help you out with this page. Alright, so don't forget to contact me in case you have questions, in case you don't understand. Feel free to do it. Feel free to text me on Hangouts, and please don't forget to take a picture of your work. Take a picture of these 2 pages and then send it to me on my Hangouts today, okay? Because it's today's work. So it was nice talking to you guys. I hope you liked the lesson, and I'll see you later. Bye.